guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is chapter 22. Now let's see how the surgery goes. Why hasn't she come out? Be patient. Oo nga, di kaya basta-basta mag-surgery ano. Operation yan mga be. Correct. How did the surgery go? Chismoso masyado, char lang. It was successful. Lagi yung dala yung bayong sa likod niya, no? Bag niya yan. O nga pala, dyan nilalagay yung mga surgery tools. But his ankle had been injured for too long. His leg and foot will require a long period of rehabilitation. Kawawa naman si Liu lang natin. Matagal siya nagtiis. My goodness. If only I knew he was in pain, that much pain. Balik. Again. If only I knew he was in that much pain. I wouldn't have let him keep pushing himself to do housework just to save his face. Siyempre, siya kasi yung lalaki. Kaya kumikilos pa rin siya kahit di na niya kaya na sa paa niya. Remember, for the next 10 days, you shouldn't exert any force on your leg. Tandaan mo yan, Jao, ha? Ay, Jao. Liu lang, ha? You have to rest in bed as much as possible and avoid spicy food. Anong connection ng spicy food? Also, no alcohol. What? Xiaoling misheard and thought Zhang was talking about the teacher of that Imperial College. No alcohol. It means no wine. Understand? I suggest you don't drink alcohol even if you're not recovering. Oh, I thought you were talking about something else. Bakit? Teacher ba siya dati? The teacher of the Imperial College. That's not my position anymore. Teacher talaga siya before. Ang taling na pala nito. Ano pala nangyari sa kanya? Ba't siya nagka-surd? Bakit siya naging pilay? Tapos hindi na siya teacher. Oh my gosh. Bam! Liu lang! Nauna ka pa kaysa sa asawa. Nakasunod lang yung asawa, ha? Are you alright? Does it hurt? Malamang surgery eh. Nope. Oh no! Siyempre nahihiya siya, no? Diba? Lalaki siya eh. Tigas kasi ng ulo mo eh. Sabi magpahinga eh. Oh no! Nasalo naman siya. O diba? Zhao is too fast to catch him. Charot. Gotcha! I got you. O di, ang cute ni Zhao. Nahiya tuloy si Liu lang. He's blushing. Tendren. It's gonna snow soon. Snow na naman! Masakit pa naman sa... Diba sabi nila pag may mga pilay ka, may mga surgery ka, masakit yun pag cold season. Let's not eat outside. I'll grab a few pancakes to get something in our stomachs. Okay. May pancakes na din pala na binibenta before. Dito kasi sa amin, as a snack, we're eating pancakes. Alam ko naman pang breakfast yan sa America, but here in Philippines, we're eating it during snack time. Ay, pikpak. Magnanakaw. Yun, sang sipa. Cracks. Mali ka ng binunggo, boy. Bang on. Move. That's him. Go get him. Huli ka, balbon. Miss Go? Search him. Found it! Ano naman yun ako? Mahilig talaga. lagi na lang nakaano to sa, magnanakaw to si Miss ko. Thank you again. Why do you keep getting robbed? Oo nga, lagi kang nananakawan. Nung klase may bodyguard ka na katlata, nananakawan ka pa rin. Probably because word got out and my enemies targeted me. Well, I'll leave first. Di ba, wala na siyang pake sa'yo. Master, I found a handkerchief on the ground. I don't know if it belongs to that lady. Sorry to keep you waiting. Alright, let's go, Mr. Liu. Got it. Miss Go, you dropped this. Oh, you dropped something. Naku, epal din to. This isn't mine. This? You dropped your painting. What is it? It's a painting by the Marquis of Zaudu, Misty Rain of Spring Mountain. He painted it when he was 12 years old during his travel to Jiangnan. His paintings are priceless. I had to spend a lot of money to buy it from an acquaintance. He painted this well at the age of 12. It's a fake. Baka siya yung isa sa mga Marcus. Oh my gosh, daming twist. Nonsense. How much do you know about art? You're such a poor scholar. Ay, grabe ka ha. I had an expert appraise it, and this is definitely a genuine painting by the Marquis of Zaudu. Well, he never painted this. How do you know he never painted it? Do you know him personally? How could a crippled peasant like he possibly know the famous Marquis of Zaudu? Marquis of Zaudu is the legitimate son of the Marquis of Shanping and Princess Xinyang and is greatly favored by the current emperor. Aba, ibig sabihin, sikat pala talaga tong asawa niya. My gosh! At 4 years old, he entered the Imperial College. And at 5 years old, he read all the books in the National Library and has fluent in 6 languages. Oh my gosh! Really? At 12 years old, the emperor appointed him as a teacher of the Imperial College and envoys from 5 countries came to congratulate him. Di ba siya to? Si Liu lang to eh. He was overflowing with brilliance and talent and unrivaled in Zaudu City. However, fate didn't go his way. The Marquis of Zaudu died tragically at 14 years old in a massive fire of the Imperial College. They say he was buried alive and he was only 14 years old. Oy, mga kalaban talaga ba? Feeling ko talaga siya talaga. Hindi ako naniniwalang namatay siya. Here, take it back. Don't listen to him. This painting is definitely genuine. If Liu Lang say it's fake, then it's fake. If you were planning to give this painting as a gift to someone, I suggest you don't. You'll embarrass yourself. Let's go, Mr. Liu. Got it. So that's the end of chapter 22. Let's see what will happen in the next chapter. There's lots of twists on this story and it's getting more and more interesting. So just hang in there and let's see what will the story be in the next chapter. So don't forget to please like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone.